Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change and reset the invoice number prefix in Zoho Books. This is particularly useful when you're starting a new fiscal year or want to organize your invoices with a more recognizable numbering system that reflects your business structure. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to modify invoice settings, as this feature typically requires administrative access. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find various menu options. Click on the option labeled Sales. This will expand to reveal additional choices related to your sales operations. From this expanded menu, click on Invoices. This section houses all your invoice management tools and is where we'll be making our adjustments. Now locate and click the plus new button positioned at the top right corner of your screen. This action initiates the creation of a new invoice, but more importantly, it gives us access to the invoice numbering settings we need to modify. On the invoice creation page, look for the invoice hash field near the top of the form. Right next to this field, you'll see a gear icon. Click on this icon to access the invoice numbering configuration options. This is the control center for how your invoices are numbered and structured. A pop-up window will appear with several fields. The most important one for our purpose is the prefix field. Click into this field and edit it to reflect your desired new prefix. For example, if your current prefix is Invoice 23 minus and you want to update it for the new year, you might change it to Invoice 24. This prefix will now appear at the beginning of all subsequent invoice numbers. While you're here, you also have the option to modify the next number field. This allows you to set the starting number for your new invoice sequence. If you want your invoices to start from 001 with the new prefix, simply enter that number here. Once you've made your desired changes to both the prefix and starting number, click Save to apply these settings. Your new invoice numbering system is now active and will be used for all future invoices you create in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.